Welcome to On-Screen Learning. Know how to set up a professional social media digital profile. Knowing how to set up a professional social media profile, digital profile, for fitness professionals, gym owners, and fitness facilities will be key to accessing and maintaining new members and clients. For a fitness professional, social media has produced a method to communicate and message to the right people at the right time and hope the fitness brand sticks out to the reader, enough for them to be interested in the product. To create brand loyalty, you must create positive feelings toward the health and fitness brand. This is when the client or customer buys a product or service repeatedly, regardless of a competitor's actions or changes in the health and fitness environment. It can also be demonstrated with other behaviors such as positive word of mouth or link sharing. This will benefit the fitness facility as social media provides help in this course of action. Setting up a digital profile by using social media. Completion of social profile. Social media provides a large number of channels. Firstly, select the site, for instance, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, where you want to create the profile, then provide them with contact details. All the elements like display name, username, display picture, interests, and background image. Make sure the digital profile stands out. It is the way to translate online professional skills as well as personal values. It is good to give the same appearances for all networks for brand identity, as it has a long-lasting effect and can increase the number of followers. A quick guide to setting up social media accounts for a fitness professional. Social media has become an integral part of today's marketing landscape with the health and fitness industry. Here is a step-by-step guide to enable you to quickly and easily set up social media accounts for the business. Facebook page. Steps to create an account. A professional Facebook account is required to create a Facebook page. Log in to the personal Facebook account, then go to facebook.com/pages/create. Choose the type of page you would like to create. Local business or place, gym, PT studio or fitness facility, company, organization or institution, entertainment, brand or product, cause or community. Enter the company's information, review Facebook's terms, and click on Get Started. Facebook will provide 4 tabs. A. About. B. Profile picture. C. Add to favorite. D. Reach more people. How to create a YouTube business account. Number 1. Sign in to an existing Google account or create a new, dedicated account specifically for the YouTube business account. Number 2. Once you've created the Google account, head to YouTube's homepage. Number 3. On the YouTube homepage, click on the avatar icon within the top right corner of the screen. Number 4. Click on My Channel from the drop-down options. Number 5. For personal YouTube account creation, input the first and last name into the required fields. For YouTube for Business account creation, click Use a Business or Other Name, which will lead you to a screen where you can enter the brand's name. Number 6, click Create to activate the new YouTube account. Join Twitter. A Twitter account is a passport to what's happening in the world and what people are talking about in the health and fitness sector right now. Signing up for an account, the fitness professional will be among the first to know about breaking news and what's popular, from the funny to the uplifting to the surprising. Some things to note. Twitter will guide the fitness professional through the sign-up experience, prompting the fitness professional to entertain information like a name and email address. When an email address is given, it won't be publicly visible, but the fitness professional will have to verify it through a confirmation email Twitter will send. And an email address can only be associated with one Twitter account at a time. If fitness professional signs up with a phone number, Twitter will verify it through an SMS text message with a code. Summary. Social media gives everyone a sense of professionalism. Through social media, professionalism will always be on view 24 hours per day. always be kinder and more professional than you feel.